Hey Daryl, let's consider this problem. We have minus 17 times a fraction, right? So let me just write this out a little better. Negative 3 over 23 plus 1. Now here, we can think about this in a couple different ways. We can think about this as two fractions, so we multiply the top, multiply the bottom, right? So we could think of this as, get the old calculator out here, 17 times 3. So that's going to be basically 51, because two negatives make a positive, over 1 times 23. Okay? We can think like that. Or you could think negative 17 divided by 23 times 3. That's cool too. It means the same thing. But anyway, the easiest way here, just think like that. And we still have this plus 1 over here. Now, we can't add or subtract fractions with unlike denominators. Any number, 1 for example, can be made a fraction by putting it over 1. So what I have to do, I have to call this 51 over 23. I'll just write this over. But I'm going to call this 23 over 23. Make that a 2. No mistake there. 23 over 23. Because again, 23 divided by itself still equals 1. So that's what we're doing here. Now, I can add or subtract the numerators, the top number. In this case, that's what I'm going to do. So 5 plus 2 is 7. 1 plus 3 is 4. We got 74 over 23. And then just make sure that's in lowest terms. 74 over 23. Let me just reduce that. That's already in lowest terms. So there we go right there. So if that's the question you're working on, that's kind of how I would approach it with that. Oh, it's plus minus 1. Sorry. Missed the negative. Never mind, I lied to you. That's all a lie. That's all a lie. So it's like minus 1. Minus 1. So 51 minus 23 is 28. So we got 28 over 23. And then we can basically, divide that out or put it in lowest terms. What have you. It's already in lowest terms anyway. So there we go. All right, buddy, I hope that helps. Let me know if it doesn't.